Hey guys, welcome back to your channel. Today's going to be a hair video, okay? And I know a lot of you have asked me in the past when I create my units, Sharon, how do you do it? I don't have a clue. I want to get into it. I just don't know what to do. So if you don't already have an already made wig and you're like me, you get sent hair and you want to learn how to make a wig, I'm going to be as in detail as I can with this. Now, for those of you that have been watching my hair videos, know that I don't do all that sewing. It's just really not that serious for me. I love the hair. It works well for me. Like this is glued in, for example. So today's hair is going to be brought to you by SuperNOVA. I have worked with this company before, but this hair right here, focus camera, ain't nobody got time. Ain't nobody got time. Focus, please. I need them to see this hair here, honey. Just come on, focus. Okay. Burgundy hair. Straight. Oh my God. I cannot wait. Ooh. So what I got was an 18-inch frontal. Let me show you the frontal. Because you know I love a frontal, honey. Give me a frontal any day. Here's the frontal. I've already actually measured it and cut it to my head from ear to ear. Okay? So this is the frontal. And the frontal is 16 inches. Then I have a 18, a 20, and a 22. So it's going to probably end up giving like a layered effect. But these are the bundles right here. And what the hair looks like. Look how pretty that color is. Burgundy hair. So pretty. Super straight. Bundles feel so good. Here's what the wefts look like. I always like to show you that on the wefts. No bearding, all that extra jazz and whatnot. So, just to get started, here's my mannequin head. Here's the dome cap that I always use to create my unit. And it just pretty much looks like this in the pack. It's a male's dome cap. And I always get the smallest one because I got a small head, you know what I'm saying? So here's my mannequin head. I'm going to show you how I do my wigs, okay? There's plenty of videos here on YouTube that can show you step by step how to sew the wigs down, how to perfect them. They work fine for me, and I use glue, and so that's what we're going to do. So I'm just going to go ahead and speed this up, get this wig made, put it on for you guys. And if you're wondering why the cap is so far down on her face, it's because, okay, when I take it off, okay, when I take the hair off, this will be cut off because of the frontal, right? So when I actually apply it to my head, it's not going to be like this on my face. It'll be, I can slide it back and make it tight, if that makes sense, okay? So let's get started with, and this is the glue that I use right here, 30-second glue. I use a hair dryer to speed up the heating process so that it would adhere quick, which helps me out. Most wig girls that really get into this, they have wig pins that they use to hold this in place, basically, so that it does not move. Again, Sharon does not do all of that. And you guys know, I wear my wigs. How you see them on my head is how I wear them, okay? So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and get this part prepped and get ready to put it on. I just use my glue. And I'm going to try and do it where you guys can see it on here. I leave the lace on till last. I'll leave the lace on. And I don't put the glue on the actual hair. I just put it on the band part, which is what normally people sew down. And I do have needle and thread over there because I was actually going to sew this unit, but I was like, look, I have so many wigs I got to make today, y'all. I just honestly don't have time. And again, it has worked well for me the way I've always done it. So we're just going to keep it moving because your girl got a lot of work to do today. Okay, so I just put the glue on the band, just that little part right there. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply this on this girl's head here. And I'm going to pull it tight so that when I do put it on my head, that it is tight. Okay? That it's nice and tight on my head. And I just kind of hold it down just to let it set. It doesn't seep through. If you just put it on there just right, it won't seep through onto the hair. It'll be just fine. Okay, and this is a stretchy cap, so when I do take it off of the mannequin head to put it on my head, it will stretch out. Okay. Okay, I'm sorry, but the camera cut off in me completing it almost. But basically what you saw me doing, I did all the way up till I met the closure, okay? So now I have applied the wig to see if it fits. It's nice and snug. It ain't going nowhere. I still have the lace on here, as you can see. And underneath, I have a nude stocking cap. So let me just show you kind of what the part looks like. If you can see that. That's just the nude stocking cap that's underneath. Being that this is a frontal, you can part this from ear to ear. Okay? Ear to ear, all the way across, as you can see. Both sides, ear to ear. So what I like to do when the hairline is not quite befitting for my face, I like to tweeze the hairline. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tweeze it while I have the lace still on, because I don't want to take too much off. And I guess this was like a baby hair-ish situation they left on here, but we'll be getting rid of that as well. Well, some of it anyway. Okay, so I have installed the unit, as you can see. I have glued it down. It is completely glued down. Of course, you know I used got to be glue to put it down. This hair is straight like it came out of the pack. No flat iron, no anything. And again, it was 18, 20, 22, and then I think a 16-inch closure. I'll leave it across the screen right here, the actual links. And I put every bundle in the hair. So let me show you how long it falls on me. You guys know I'm 5'7", and that's where the hair drops. I'm loving this color of this hair because it's not too in your face. It's just like the right amount of burgundy. I didn't tweeze the part or anything. That's just the cap that's underneath. That's what that looks like there. And it just looks so sleek and pretty and thick and healthy. No flat iron. Again, this is just what the hair looks like, and this is the color of it. And like I said, I did actually glue it down so I could like put it behind my ear if I wanted to, like that. I tweezed the part just a little bit because I kind of knew I wanted to wear it like this with the middle part. I'm kind of loving this whole middle part situation. I used to didn't, but now I do. But I do want to bump it to see what the curls look like. How well does it hold curls? Even though I just want to wear it straight. But I do want to go ahead and bump it just to see how it holds curls. And being that this hair is like multiple lengths, it should give me that really layered effect. And I'm using my wand curler on the biggest barrel just for some, like, not really like tight curls, but just regular loosey kind of a curl. And that is what, let's do another one just so you can really get an idea of what it looks like. Just to see. This is some really pretty hair. And again, this is SuperNOVA. I have worked with them in the past before, and I'm absolutely loving this hair color. Like, it is giving me, okay, so here's, let me just do another one because you won't really be able to get the, I may as well just go ahead and bump the whole thing. How about that? I may as well just bump it all, and then I'll just wear it straight in a later video because I done came this far and I don't want to add any more heat. I don't have any product or anything on the hair, by the way. Okay. So basically, can you see that? That's what it looks like with just some really loose curls in it. Really loose curls, which is very pretty. This is the straight side, and here is the bump side. So I'm going to go ahead and curl it, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like curled since I've already started the process. You've seen what it looks like super straight out of the pack, no flat iron, no nothing. So I'll go ahead and finish bumping it, and then I'll show you what it looks like when I come back. Okay, so this is what it looks like with just some really loose beach curls, waves in it. This is how it looks. It does give that layered look because of the lengths of hair, which I actually like, so I don't even have to worry about trying to cut layers because they're naturally in there. Look at this hair, y'all. Look at this hair. Look at it. Totally just, and I just finger it out with just the big barrel. I use this barrel here, the biggest one attachment that I have. And so, yeah, this is what the hair looks like from SuperNOVA. I'm loving it. I'm loving the color because it's not too in your face and too bright. The parting, again, this is a frontal ear to ear, and it stops to about back there. So you have a lot of parting space, a lot you can do up front with this hair. Also, they sent me, which I can't wait to try these out, some 3D mink lashes. That came in the pack, as well as this SuperNOVA hair care instructions on how to care for your hair. That is also one of the things that came in the pack. So I'm actually loving this hair, straight or wavy like this. So you'll, of course, you know you'll be seeing it again in other videos. And that's all I have to say about it. I can't say that it sheds. Can't say that it tangles because, again, I just created the unit today. Just put it on. You can see that it does hold curls. I could have made them tighter. I just chose to go with the looser. Lots of body on the hair. You know I love some body, honey. Ooh, look at her. But I'm loving the hair so far. Really enjoy working with the company. Great people, sweet people, get back to you immediately. Great customer service. I look for all those things when dealing with these hair companies out here, honey. And again, you know, if you see it, I love it. So this is what it looks like. And that is all I have to say about it. So thanks, SuperNOVA. Anytime you want to work with your girl, I am here. And again, that is how far the hair drops on me. There. Nice little beach waves. Yes. Wet. Come through burgundy hair. Come through. Look at the texture. So pretty. Not so loud. Just very classy. It's a classy burgundy-ish color. Very New Year's Eve party worthy, by the way, honey. And everyday worthy for me. So it don't make me no difference. I love it. So that's all I have to say about the hair. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope the earlier part of the video where I tried to show you how I create the units was helpful. If not, there's a million videos here on YouTube of young ladies that really go in on making these wigs or whatever. I just do what works for Sharon, and I have no problems with the way I do mine. So hopefully, if you didn't get it, you could always go and check out one of their videos as well. And again, this is SuperNOVA hair, and I am loving it. And I will catch you guys in the next video. In your face. Bye, y'all.